Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In many areas of the world, people get drinking water from catchment, collection, systems that trap and store rainwater. Even when these systems are constructed and used properly, they are easily contaminated by germs that can cause sickness.
Let's help you make your mark.
A cistern must be cleaned to remove sediment and any other contaminants. It's a good idea to clean your cistern at least one time a year to remove sludge and sediment buildup, or more often if the water looks, smells, or tastes different.
Let's help you make your mark.
The price to install a cistern spans from $150 to $21,000. Prices on the low end reflect above-ground cisterns that are 50 gallons or less. The reason prices vary so much is because unlike a rain barrel, a cistern can go above or below ground.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.